Hello, welcome to my spy Viber messages tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how you can spy Viber messages. First, go on spysms.info /Viber, and here what you need to do to start spying is to type in the number. Just type in the number you want to spy and click on the read messages. So just click on that one. Now it's finding the messages. And just open any message you like. So I just will open the one of the messages, and you can see the content here. So that's it, and thanks everyone for watching my video.